Good morning everyone, welcome back to our video discussions and video tutorials in Computer System Servicing NCII. So our topic for today is all about the OS installation, including its partitioning. In the previous discussion, we talked about on how to create a bootable USB flash drive, then set that one as a boot priority in the second video. So we set up the BIOS settings and set the bootable media as our first priority or first boot priority device, which is already done. Just visit my YouTube channel, or you can also browse in my Facebook account the video tutorials on how to set up the BIOS settings. Okay, today we are going to install an operating system. So we can use the client OS. Okay, the client OS, so ang gagamitin natin is the Windows 10. Then we also install the server OS. Ang gagamitin natin is yung Windows Server 2008 R2. So ito lang muna ang gagamitin natin. Actually, marami pang version ng server operating system. But for the meantime, ang gagamitin natin is the Server 2008 R2. Okay. Sir, I have a question. Kailan ba mag-install ng operating system? Well, there are many situations or cases kung kailan mag-install ng operating system. Unang-una, kung bibili ka ng computer parts by parts, so it means that you are only buying the hardware parts, then you assemble all of it. So, hindi pa gagana ang computer natin. Again, there are three elements in a computer system. So, we have the hardware, the software, and the peopleware. So, if you're buying hardware parts, so you only have hardware parts, but the computer will not function according to its purpose if walang software. So, that is why after building up your computer unit, kasi bumili ka ng mga hardware components, you need to install an operating system. Ang operating system ay kumbaga, siya ang magpapagana sa hardware mo. For example, kung bibili ka ng printer, so that is a hardware. Ang printer, pag i-insert mo yan, i-connect mo yan sa computer mo, hindi ka agad-agad makapag-print. Kailangan mo pang mag-install ng driver. Yung driver, it is a software that will be the bridge between the hardware and your operating system. So, it means kailangan natin ng software. Ganon din ang operating system. Because of the operating system, it makes the hardware works. But again, the hardware is nothing without the software, as well as the software is nothing without a hardware. But both of it, hardware and software, are nothing without peopleware. So, kailangan talaga yung tatlong elements na yan: hardware, software, and peopleware. So, again, it is the user's preference. So, if the user feel that the computer is not working properly, then user can reinstall or reformat the operating system. Okay. Another situation, say for example, your computer merong virus, and kahit anong install mo ng antivirus, di pa rin nawawala yung virus. And it's still corrupting all your files. It hides all your files and corrupted all your files. So, pwedeng i-reformat ni user ang kanyang computer. But the question now is, how to install or how to reinstall, or other term is how to reformat your your computer system. And that is our topic for today, the operating system installation. Okay, let's do this. In our previous video discussion about the setting the first priority device, which is the bootable media, so this is the last part sa video na ginawa natin. So this is the client operating system, the Windows 10 operating system, and on the other side, it is the server computer, then we will install the server operating system. So let us start first the installation of operating system in our client. So we use the Windows 10. So right here, just click next lang, then click install now. Then pili lang dito Windows 10 Professional, Windows 10 Pre-activated. So again, ang operating system depende kung anong i-download natin, no? Then sa akin dito, pre-activated lang ang i-select natin. Then click next. Okay. Then click accept. Then click next. Then dito, pipili lang tayo. We choose upgrade or custom. So if you choose upgrade, so it will keep all your files, your settings and applications sa system. So mananatili 'yon. And then kung may virus ang computer mo, tapos ang pinili mo is upgrade, then the virus still remains in your computer. But if you want to have a fresh copy of operating system to be installed in your computer, so pipiliin natin is the custom. In this example, we choose custom. Okay? Click yan. Then right here, you have an unallocated space. So in case lang, meron kayo makitang ganito, let us say, gagawa muna tayo ng bagong partition, ha. So, for example, pag open niyo, may partitions na. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, pili lang tayo dito, click, tapos i-delete. Okay, then this one also, i-delete. Paano natin malaman na pwedeng ma-delete? Kapag ang partition natin is hindi unallocated. Okay, ito pag unallocated, walang delete. Pero pag may laman, it means you can delete the partition. Pag delete niyan, sasama yan dito sa unallocated. Ito rin, 100 MB, delete, okay. And then the recovery, delete, okay. Okay, so this is the total space of our hard disk drive and it is unallocated, meaning hindi pa siya magagamit. So, kailangan nating mag-allocate. So, ang tanong dito, ilang partition ba ang gagawin natin? Ano bang ibig sabihin ng partition? So, yung partition, it means that we are going to divide the total memory allocation of your hard disk drive. So, example, meron ka ditong 465 gigabytes. So, yung 465 gigabytes, pag i-click natin yan, click nyo, then apply agad-agad. Click OK. Ang mangyayari niyan is, you only have one partition. It means, ginawa mo isang buo ang total capacity ng ating hard disk drive. Then, i-click natin next. Pero kung gusto mo ng maraming partition, ang ibig sabihin ng partition ay ganito. Okay, ganito. Meron tayong local disk C, meron din tayong local disk D, then ito sa USB flash drive. But still, let us consider that this is also a partition. So, ilan bang partition meron tayo dito? 1, 2. So, tatanggalin ko lang itong USB flash drive. Okay. So, we have 2 partition. So, ang ginawa nating example kanina is isang partition lang. Ito lang. So, ang mangyayari is only local disk C. The point here is, bakit kailangan nating mag-partition? Kasi, everything na nasa loob or nasa desktop natin, everything here in the desktop, and also, everything in the downloads, in the documents, pictures, okay? Lahat ng yan, documents, pictures, downloads, music, pictures, blah, blah, etc. Lahat yan ay under ng drive C. Under ng drive C. Assuming wala kang ibang partition, only one partition lang. Now, what will happen then is, if magkaroon ng virus ang computer natin, the virus will attack to the root folders, no? I-attack niya yung nasa drive C natin. Then, sino-sino ba ang apektado? Lahat ng downloads, documents, everything here ay apektado. Tapos, say for example that you have no way of stopping that virus. So, ang mangyayari is, you are just going to reformat your computer para mawala yung virus. Ngayon, what will happen to the documents, to the downloads, and everything you save, everything, lahat ng files na nasave mo dito under Drive C, mabubura din yon. Sir, mag-backup na lang ako, ilagay ko sa external hard disk drive or sa USB flash drive. Okay, walang problema yon. But what if yung virus sasama doon? Then, andun pa rin yung virus. So, gagawin, reformat ang Drive C. Remember, only one partition lang ang ginawa natin. Pero, if you will create a partition, another partition like this one, tapos dito mo ilalagay lahat ng important files mo. Okay? Kumbaga, meron siyang boundary sa Drive C at Drive D. Pag magkaroon ng virus, the first drive na i-attack ng virus is the Drive C. So, pag mag-reformat ka, pwedeng Drive C lang ang i-reformat natin. Then, ang Drive D, hindi na natin i-delete yung partition. So, pagka-reformat, ang operating system, papasok sa Drive C. Andito, mayroong Windows logo dito. Andyan yung operating system. So, ang files natin is still safe. Andito sa Drive D. Hindi siya apektado, hindi mabubura. Kasi ito lang ang na-reformat natin. Okay, that is what we call partitioning. Dividing the total capacity. So, pag pinagsama natin yan, yung 87 at saka yung 86, that is the total capacity of this computer, the hard disk drive. Okay? Kung isang partition lang, kung one partition lang ang gagawin natin, just like that, so, Drive C lang ang makikita natin, then ang total capacity niya is 183 plus 292. Okay, so balik tayo dito. So, i-try nating i-delete. Okay, delete ang partition. Then, delete partition. Okay, so hindi pa na-divide or hindi pa nalagyan ng partition ang total space ng ating hard disk drive. So, ang gagawin natin ngayon is mag-create tayo ng new. Ngayon, ang tanong, ilang partition ba ang gagawin natin? So, say for example, ang partition na gagawin natin is 3. Let us say, let's divide the total capacity into 3 partition. It means that meron kang Drive C, meron kang Drive D, meron kang Drive E. So, paano ba natin i-divide ang partition? So, say for example, 3 equal partitions ang gagawin natin. So, say for example, we have 3 equal partitions. Okay. So, let us check first. The total capacity is 476939 megabytes. So, we have here 476939 MB, megabytes. So, let us try. Kung mag-click tayo ng apply, ang sabi dito, to ensure that all Windows features work correctly, Windows might create additional partitions for system files. So, mag-allocate siya ng konti lang naman, ilang megabytes lang naman para sa system files. So, titingnan natin. We have 450, 100, at saka 16. So, yung tatlong yan, that is intended for the system files. So, ano yun? We have here minus, 450 plus 100 plus 16. That makes it 566 MB. That is for the system files. So, yung total allocation natin, bawasan natin ng 566 MB. Okay, 566 MB. 476373 MB. Yan. So ngayon, yung 476373 megabytes, yan. I-divide natin yan. Ilang partitions ba ang gusto mo? Gusto mo equal partitions, 3. So i-divide natin by 3 partitions. Okay? So i-divide natin by 3 partitions. So, bawat isa ay mayroong 158,791. So, that is each partition. Okay? Each partition. Okay. So, it means since tatlo, you have 158,791, 158,791. So, this is for drive C, drive D, and drive E. Okay. So, again, the total capacity of our hard disk drive is 476,939 megabytes. Then, bawasan natin yan ng 566 megabytes. That is for the system files, no? For system files. So, ang natitira nating paghatian ngayon is 476,373 megabytes. Then, since we're going to create 3 equal partitions, so we have to divide that one by 3. So, each of it now is 158,791. So, since tatlong 158,791. So, this will be the drive allocations, drive letters, drive C, drive D, and drive E. Now, ngayon, itry natin sa ating partitioning here. So, for example, ang first partition natin is 158,791. So, let us say 158,791. Tapos, click natin ng apply. Tingnan natin anong mangyayari. Okay. Then, meron pang natirang unallocated space. So, click natin new ulit. Then, punta naman tayo sa drive D. Still, 158,791. Click apply. Then, meron pa rin natirang unallocated space. So, click lang natin new, then click apply. So, actually, hindi na siya magbabalance. 158,791. 158,791. Tingnan natin, ano kung yung mangyayari dito. So, from the system files, this one, 433 megabytes, 450, 116. So, this is now the start, drive C, drive D, and drive E. But hindi na balance. 154.5, 155.1, 155.6. Bakit kaya hindi na balance? Ito naman ang pag-divide natin. Ang mangyayari kasi nito, yung pinakaunang partition natin, ito, ang mangyayari kasi, itong first partition natin, babawasan pa yan ng 566. Okay? Babawasan yan ng 566. Anong gagawin natin? So, ang drive C is dadagdagan lang natin. Yung binawas natin kanina na 566, idagdag natin dito sa first partition, 566. So, what is now the total capacity of your drive C? So, ang 158,791, idagdag natin yung 566 na binawas natin kanina sa first partition. So, this will make it 159,357. Then, ang second partition at saka third partition still remains. So, right here, balik natin. Delete muna natin lahat ng partitions. Unallocated, delete. Maging unallocated na yan. Delete, magiging unallocated. Delete, magiging unallocated. Delete, magiging unallocated. Delete, magiging unallocated. So, the total capacity Again, new 476939. Ngayon, pag click natin apply, hihingi siya ng system file na 566. So kaya ang ginawa natin, binawas muna natin ang 566. Ang natira natin 476373. Divide 3 partitions. So bawat partition ay meron tayong 158791. So sa drive C, sa pinakaunang partition, dyan, ilalagay natin yung 158791, tapos idagdag natin ang 566, kaya nagiging 159357. So yun yung una nating ilalagay, 159357. Okay? This one, yung drive C. Then click apply. Then sabi niya dito, to ensure that all Windows features work correctly, may create additional partitions. So in short, hihingi siya ng 566. So since dinagdag na natin yung 566, ito yung in-input natin. Sabi niya, from this value, hihingi ako ng system files na 566. So meaning, 159357, babawasan ng 566, ang matitira is 158791. So yon, click OK. Next, unallocated yung natira. So, i-divide na naman natin. This time, ang input natin is, for drive D, 158791 na lang. So, 158791. Click apply. Then, may unallocated tayo dito. Click na lang new, apply na lang agad. So, as you can see right here, na-balance ang drive C, drive D, drive E natin. Na? Okay. Since na-balance na 3 equal partitions, tapos mayroon tayong 450, 116 for the system files. So, okay na, no? 3 equal partitions na tayo. Ngayon, be careful. Kasi kapag, for example, itong partition 6 ang na-highlight natin, tapos na-next natin, the operating system is installed in the drive E. So this is CDE. Sir, will it work? Yes, still it works. Kung dito naman, ma-install natin sa drive D. Mostly, saan ba in-install ang operating system? Nasa drive C. Bakit kaya? So, based on our experiences, no, I tried this one. Kapag nilagay mo dito sa drive 6, gagana pa rin yung computer mo. No? Gagana pa rin ang computer mo. Pero pag boot ng computer, may makikita ka, ma-observe ka na black screen or something na nag-blink-blink, or in other words, medyo tatagal ng konti ang loading niya. Kasi pag open natin, pag check ng BIOS, una niyang tinitingnan, okay, partition 2, 3. Tapos titingnan niya partition 4, may operating system ba? Wala. Then bababa siya. Meron ba dito sa partition 5? Wala. Meron ba dito sa partition 6? Meron. Saka pa niya ilo-load yung operating system. So medyo matagal. Pero kung ito yung pipiliin mo, pag-turn on ng computer, pag-check ng BIOS, andyan ba si operating system, pag-check niya, oy, andito na. No need na pupunta pa dito kasi nakita ko na. Matik, maglo-load na agad yung operating system. So, it's just a matter of loading time. So, kung marami kang partition, tapos sa last partition mo nilagay ang operating system, i-check niya lahat ng mga partitions kung andun ba si operating system. So, again, kahit saan dito, pwede naman, pero mas prefer ko sa first partition. Malalaman mo yung first partition, ito primary. Samantalang dito, recovery system, reserve. So, ito primary, ito yung pinaka drive C natin, drive D, drive E. So, again, click lang natin primary, then click natin next. So, antayin lang natin, copying Windows files, then later on, magre-restart. Hayaan mo lang. Okay? So, while waiting for that, let us proceed to the server side. In the server side, click natin next. Install now. Okay, dito sa server natin, so ang pipiliin natin is yung server R2 standard. Click lang tayo ng next. Okay, antay lang na konti. Then click accept. Next. So which type of installation do you want? Upgrade or custom? So ang pipiliin natin is custom. Because we want to install the operating system. So in this computer, meron akong naka-partition na. Okay? I have one partition, I have 1, 2, 3 partitions. Okay. So ang i-delete ko lang dito, I have to delete the recovery. Delete ko yan. Okay, ito yung sinasabi kong advantage ng partitioning. This one, delete. This is for the system files. This one, delete for the system files. Then this one, itong primary na to, this is my drive C. Then ito, this is my drive D. At itong isa is another partition. Actually, this is another hard disk drive. So, if yung computer natin is naka-partition na, tapos ito, nilagyan mo ng mga laman, no? May files dito. Ito rin, may files dito. Ito, may files din ito. Ginawan ko ng maraming partition. So, yung isa for the data, yung isa yung mga recovery, at yung isa including mga movies and others. So, nagkaroon ako ng 4 na partition, kumbaga. So, this one, drive C, drive D, drive E, and the other one. So, itong drive C, ito lang ang i-delete natin. Kasi kung may virus, dito yung na-atake sa primary drive C. So, i-click natin delete, click OK. Tapos, ito na, unallocated space, 500 gigabytes. Click natin, unallocated, click new, click apply. So again, hihingi siya ng pang system file. So that is 566 MB. Click OK. Okay, so 400, 100, 450, 116. So this one, partition 4 ngayon, this is now my drive C. Why I did not delete this partition, this partition, this partition? Kasi may laman yan eh. May laman yan, naka-partition na. I assume that na-virusan yung computer ko, yung drive C ang inattack ng virus, so yung drive C lang ang i-partition, I mean, i-reformat ko. So, one partition na lang. Okay. So, be careful. Huwag kang pumili ng itong data or ito. Kasi pag-click mo ng next niyan, mabubura lahat. Mabubura lahat yung laman ng data na to. So, dito tayo sa drive C. Tapos, click next. Ayun. Antayin lang natin hanggang mag-restart yung computer natin. Okay. Okay, so while waiting sa server natin na matapos ang installation, let's go back to the client. So, ito na yon. Hinayaan lang natin mag-restart kanina, then ito na, no? So, you can use customize or express. So, express na lang, diretso. So, just a moment. Then, it will ask who's going to use the PC. So, maglagay tayo ng user. Let us say the user is Glenn. It will ask to enter a password. So, you can leave it blank or if you want, you can add a password. Okay? For the meantime, walang password ang computer natin. Walang user password. So, just click next. Okay, then just a moment. Then, use Cortana. Wag na. Not now. Then, ito na ngayon. Papasok na. Okay, let's start. And there you go. So, ito na ngayon ang environment na Windows at F10 natin sa client operating system. Okay. Sometimes, pag restart ng computer natin, lalo na dito sa computer ng DepEd, itong kulay blue, pag restart ng computer, it will go back to the initial Windows setup. So, paulit-ulit na lang, tapos mag-next tayo, tapos mag-partition ulit. So, ang gagawin natin is, i-restart natin yung computer, then, pasukin natin yung BIOS, press F10, to enter the BIOS setup. Okay, keep on pressing. Okay. Ngayon dito, ibalik natin or papalitan natin yung boot priority. So before this one, 'di ba, ang boot priority, first boot device natin is USB hard drive. So ngayon, ang i-first priority natin is itong OS boot manager. So that the installation will continue. So enter, move up, enter. Okay, then press F10 to accept the changes. F10. Then go back to file, save changes again. Then yes. Okay, now moving forward. So ito na ngayon, pumasok na. And it will continue to install the operating system. If it won't work on your GPT partition scheme, so try to change the partition scheme into MBR. Okay, setup is preparing your computer. And then, pagkatapos niyan, ito na yung final step natin. So, the user password must be changed before logging on the first time. So, kailangan, as administrator, since ito ay server, so kailangan natin lagyan ng administrator's password. Make sure that the password is complex. So, kailangan mayroon tayong uppercase, lowercase, a number, and a symbol. In this case, gagawa tayo ng password, a secure password for administrator. Kailangan minimum natin at least 8 characters. Okay, there you go. So this is now the environment of your server. So we have here the server environment and we have the client environment. Okay, so I guess we're done with this topic, installing of operating system. The client operating system and the server operating system. Okay, so see you in the next video. Good day, everyone.